If computer hardware is the body, then software is the mind. Software is the set of invisible instructions, programs, and data that tell your computer exactly how to function. Without it, your powerful CPU and GPU are just expensive pieces of metal and silicon. This is your foundation. It includes operating systems like Windows or Linux, and utility programs that manage your hardware. For those of us in system administration, this also includes virtualization software, which allows one physical server to act like many, a cornerstone of modern technical infrastructure. Then there is application software, or apps.
These are the tools we use to actually get work done.
Whether you're using high-quality image generators for your thumbnails, video suites for content creation, or web browsers to access the cloud, application software is what turns a computer into a creative powerhouse. How is it made? Developers write software using programming languages. These instructions are then stored locally or in the cloud, waiting for the hardware to execute them. Whether that's calculating a financial transaction through a payment bridge or rendering a 3D animation. In the massive ecosystem of ICT, software is the bridge between human creativity and machine power. Understanding it is the key to mastering digital media and technical education. If you want to see more deep dives into server management or content optimization, hit subscribe.